everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we're again in the Keto Cafe in the Davison Farmers Market. And today's video, I'm going to show you all the different things you can do with the Baker's Basic, and I'm also going to show you how to make the frosting. So the frosting is just 1 block Philadelphia cream cheese, okay? And you take a 1/4 cup of sweetie. This is my sweetie. I make it myself. This is what makes everything taste so good. This is the one that was in the video that my kids actually picked my sweetener over sugar itself. So that's why the products taste so good and there's so much good results on it. So you use 1 block Philadelphia, a 1/4 cup sweetie, a 1/4 cup half and half, and a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. And whatever you do, make sure you don't use too much vanilla, because the vanilla will give it a bitter taste if you use too much of it. Then you just microwave it for about a minute to soften the cream cheese, which I've already done that. And then all I do is, take my immersion blender and blend it. And try not to make a mess while you're blending it, right? And this hardens in the refrigerator and becomes a very, very delicious cream cheese sauce. Okay, you can use cream if you want instead of half and half. The cream is just going to give it a thicker texture, more like real cream cheese than a frosting, okay? So that's that. Now we're going to go to the cakes. Here, Grace, take this from me. You can get all that out of here. Okay, so now I want to show you how to make, first cake we're going to make is a lemon drop cake. This is the Baker's Basic. Remember, it's got 2 net carbs, okay? That's it. And this whole thing is 89 calories, but then we're going to add the egg and the cream to it, so it's going to add more calories to it. So I'm going to put the egg in. I'm going to put the cream in. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to squeeze half of a lemon in here. Now what that's going to do is it's going to make me have to microwave it a little bit longer. So I'm going to have to microwave this for a couple minutes instead of 1. Not completely half, but almost half. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it really good. I'm telling you guys, this tastes just like a lemon drop cake. You cannot tell that it's diet. It is so delicious. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the frosting while the cake is baking. Okay, honey, 2 minutes in the microwave. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the frosting that I just made, just enough that I'm going to, whatever I'm going to put on top of the cake, and I'm going to squeeze the rest of this in the frosting. Now you can do this with orange, guys. And I'm telling you, if you like orange creamsicles, I'm telling you, there ain't nothing as good as the Baker's Basic with lemon or orange. And these are good for the summer, but they're also good for the winter. When you eat something like this in the winter, you feel like you're having something summery. It reminds you of summer. This thing is so delicious. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that to come out and do that. Meanwhile, what we're gonna do now is make a strawberry shortcake. Again, Baker's Basic, 2 net carbs with 1 egg and 2 cream. Now, I don't have any strawberry extract. You could put strawberry extract in here and it'll make it even taste a little bit better. Just a couple drops, you don't need much, but it's good even without it. I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, we're gonna throw some strawberries in here. And you can just throw them on top, because when you microwave the cake, it's gonna rise and cover up the strawberries. Because if you mix it in, the strawberries will all go to the bottom. So we're gonna microwave that too for a couple minutes. And while that's being microwaved, we're gonna I know I made a video about this before, but I want to show you again how to make a 3 milk cake. So the 3 milk cake is 1 egg and 2 cream, and you're gonna mix it, and we're gonna add some cream cheese to this as well. Remember, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, frosting. This frosting is amazing, guys, and it makes everything taste delicious. This is probably about 2 tablespoons. I don't have a tablespoon to measure exactly, but that's about right. And then we're gonna microwave this for a couple minutes, and this, I'm telling you, is so similar to the real thing. I could not tell them apart when I bought a 3 milk cake at the store and then tried this. So there's the 3 milk cake. That's gonna go in the microwave now. Now here's the lemon drop cake. I wanna show you what it looks like. I'm sorry, my fork is not clean. Let me, thank you, honey. So here's how it's gonna come out. You just kind of fork around it a little. See that? See this? I don't even have anything in here. I didn't spray it. I didn't do anything. It just comes out really nice and clean. And now for this one, I'm gonna put the frosting in that I made with that I squeezed the lemon juice in. Like I said, you can do this with orange too, okay? It is so good. Now I'm gonna cut this and use it as sample for my customers. And then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put frosting on the strawberry cheesecake. So I showed you with the Baker's Basic, you can do the 3 milk cake, you can do the lemon drop cake, you can do strawberry cake, you can do pineapple cake, you can make banana bread. What you do for banana bread is you get 1 egg, 2 tablespoons cream, and you put about a half a banana in here and mash it all together, and then you throw the mix on top. And then that's how you make, and then you mix it. That's how you make banana bread. And all these, anytime you add ingredients other than the egg and the cream, you're gonna wanna microwave it for 2 minutes, okay? So that's the lemon drop cake. Now we got the strawberry shortcake. Okay, same thing. This is gonna come out nice and clean. I'm just gonna use this. It's so hot, I'm sorry. My hand is burning. There we go. And now I'm gonna put the cream cheese frosting on top of this one. I mean, if you like strawberries and cream, what more do you want? 2 net carbs. Okay, but then the strawberries does add a little bit more carbs to this. So don't forget that. But strawberries are low in carbs, so even diabetics can eat them. And this whole cake, I think, has a total of 5 strawberries. 1 cup of strawberries, I think, is about 10 carbs. So you can still count your carbs and do this. You can splurge and do it once in a while. Or if you're just eating clean and you're not counting carbs, Healthy Treats Market is the perfect way to do that. We really cater to anybody. Even if you're a vegan, you can buy these mixes, okay? And instead of the egg, you just use an egg substitute, and instead of the cream, you use almond milk or coconut milk or something. And then you got a vegan cake. You can make vegan banana bread. You can make vegan chocolate cake. So many different things you can do. So there's that one. And the last one that we're waiting on is the 3 milk cake. So I showed you how to do all these things. I want to mention one other thing, guys. These keto bombs, these peanut butter cup keto bombs, they're made with cocoa, sweetie cream, organic coconut oil, and peanut butter. And they have 1 net carb total in this thing. I sold out last week right when I made them, and they were delicious. But I tweaked the recipe a little bit more with this one. And these are like infinitely better than the ones that I had last week even. So if you bought the ones from last week and you loved them, you're gonna love these ones even more. And this is like totally will satisfy your peanut butter chocolate desire if you wanna come and get some of these. So we're ready for the other cake now. And I'm gonna show you how it comes out too. I just love how easy these cakes are to make and how filling they are. They're so filling. Okay, here we go. It's just hot, guys. It's very hard for me to... That's the only bad thing about this is... There's a lady here that sells those... Let me see that pot. I want to show them. There's a lady here that comes in on Saturdays. Give me that one of those. And she sells these pot holders. They're like bowl holders. And supposedly, and it works, I just keep forgetting to do it. If you put this in the microwave, the bowl will not get hot. And I think these are about, I don't remember exactly how much she sells them for, but it keeps the bowl from getting hot. So if you want to come and get these, that would be great. She's here on Saturdays. And then I'm going to put the cream cheese frosting on this one. Now remember the 3 milk cake? You put the cream cheese frosting in it and on top of it. And you get a delicious cake. And I'm going to show you how to do keto burgers one of these days and all kinds of other stuff, guys. I just love my products. So there you go. I just made you 3 different cakes in about 6 minutes, 8 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. This is all the different things you can do with Baker's Basic. Again, I told you can make lime cake, you can make banana bread. There's just, the possibilities are endless. It's just whatever you want to do with them, you can. And the key ingredient to everything is this right here, my sweetie. So come try it. Come get some keto bombs, whatever you want. Basically what I have at this market is everything you're not allowed to have on the keto diet, but it's all keto. So that's what makes it so nice about coming here, is that you don't have to deprive yourself when you're on the diet. You can actually have your cake and eat it too. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Come visit us at the Davison Farmers Market. And if you don't live nearby, come go on our website, healthytreatsmarket.com. Have a good day. God bless you.